This is what our researcher finds when he visits the local office of the Chinese Communist Party. At a nearby village, residents shown photographs of Bo recognize her as the daughter of Lin Wenyi, the same name that appears in She's dossier. They say Bo was born here and only moved away towards the end of 2002. She says he has a message for the former mayor.
我还以中国是不可信的，我们两个人你看一下，曾经作为这个国安公安秘，你看看我的下场，要想不灭口来，对吧？真相呢，也保不成实体。
China's Ministry of State Security did not respond to our request for comment. Neither did Alice Guo Huaping.
So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to point out to this committee that even if we have been making our own researches, pulling up our own inquiries, this is another source from a completely different party and is unrelated to what we do. Pero nagkataon that the person named Xie Kailong, who Xie Zijiang trusted with the encrypted files, showed to Al Jazeera that there is a dossier confirming that there are Chinese spies all over, at least in this case Myanmar, but here also in the Philippines, and undoubtedly shows Guo Huaping. In the picture where she was born, even her mother, and the name of Lin Wenyi. Mr. Chair, again, we were told, kanina nagtanong tayo kung bakit ba si Alice dito sa Pilipinas, kung dito pa siya pinanganak, kung Pilipino ba yung mga magulang niya. She first said na dito daw siya lumaki, which is false. Because paano malalaman or ma-identify ng mga tao doon mismo sa address sa Fujian na nakilala nila si Alice Guo Huaping as anak ni Lin Wenyi nung pinakita nila yung picture ni Guo Huaping sa kanila. Number 2, tinanong natin kung saan ba siya ipinanganak. Nakita na nga. Doon mismo, she left daw date of 2002. Sabi pa ng mga tao na in-interview ng Al Jazeera doon mismo sa Fujian. And I take note, Mr. Chair, na sa video, nung pinuntahan nila yung address na nakalagay sa dossier, sa encrypted dossier, is a local office ng Communist Party of China. So, Mr. Chair, I think this in itself speaks volumes na. No? Again, nakakainis na time and time again, dinideny ni Guo Huaping lahat ng mga questions na tinatanong namin sa kanya. Okay, again, let me ask, Guo Huaping, kilala mo ba si Xie Zijiang? Yes or no?
Your Honor, yung Sir Jijiang na sinasabi niyo po, yan po ba pinakita niyo po kanina sa akin sa picture?
Correct.
Hindi ko po siya kilala. At sana po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, makuha ko rin po yung details. Gusto ko po magdemanda. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Hindi natin mandidemanda, Ms. Alice, dahil kasi he's in jail in Thailand. And the reason why he's speaking the truth now is because, as he was saying din in the video, although hindi lang pinakita dito, is that he is also being illegally detained daw, sabi niya, kaya sa galit niya, he wants to speak also the truth out of the world, na iniibit na rin siya ng Chinese Ministry of State Security. So, what does he have to lose? That's why sinabi nga niya sa inyo, Ms. Guo Huaping, na tell the truth. Don't fall to the same mistakes that he has done. Kasi nga, he also fears for your life. Remember, nung Senate hearing, na you mentioned na you didn't want to name names because you feared for your life. And because of that, the Senate granted you security and asylum within the PNP's compound. Ngayon, na executive session na kayo, sabi ng Senate na there was nothing to go about except for one name. Hindi pa rin namin alam. But if you look at it, there is no doubt, kitang-kita na. Hindi na galing mismo dito sa Quadcom, pero in an international company that tries, whose job is to search for the truth worldwide. So, Mr. Chair, I'd like to submit this video na this is confirmation that what we've been trying to unearth here, marami na din dyan na nakikita din that corroborates not from us but from other parties as well.
Tanong lang ako kay Miss Goa. So hindi ko kilala yun.
Your Honor, unfair naman po para sa akin. Hindi ko po siya kilala at never po akong humingi ng campaign fund entirely. Never po akong humingi ng campaign fund during my campaign period. At no video na pinakita po ni Congressman Chino po kanina, hindi ko po siya kilala. At gusto ko rin po na iparating sa lahat ng kababayan ko at buong Pilipinas na rin po, mahal ko po ang Pilipinas.
Kasi nabanggit dun sa video na you're probably a spy.
Hindi po ako spy.
Hindi ka spy.
Totally po, hindi po ako spy.
Hindi ikaw yung nasa picture.
Hindi po ako spy, hindi po ako nasa picture, at hindi rin po, Your Honor, ako yung sinasabi niya.
Kasi
In fact,
yung parang pinakita niya dokumento, ito rin, that is a birth certificate from China. It clearly shows a picture that resembles your feature. Di ba? So, 1, 2, pangalan mo, you go up in. Tapos yung place of birth mo, nakalagay daw doon. Nakalagay, China eh, di ba? So, how will you now tell us and convince the Filipino people na ikaw ay hindi spy at ikaw ay hindi involved dito sa Pogo?
Your Honor, I think our government agencies can prove din sa darating ng araw na hindi po ako spy. Dahil hindi naman po talaga ako spy. Secondly, yung tao po na nasa video ko kanina, I'll find way para hindi ko po alam kung paano, pero I'll talk to my lawyer, especially the network, magbibimanda po ako.
Okay, sige. Thank you. The next interpellator is Congresswoman Liz Nograles. You're recognized. You have 5 minutes.
So again, Ms. Alice Go, Mr. Chair, you are denying that you are a Chinese spy.
Hindi po ako Chinese spy.
Well, Mr. Chair, wala naman atang spiya na mag-aamin na spiya siya. No. So, it really begs the question. But anyway, alam niyo ba, Ms. Go, na itong si Zhang, na umamin na Chinese spy siya, sinabi naman niya, kilala ka niya, ay inamin niya na dito siya nilipon sa Philippines.
Your Honor, I cannot answer your question dahil hindi ko po siya kilala.
So, on the record, Mr. Chair, this video show, mahaba kasi ito, it's an excerpt of the video, na inamin niya na recruited siya dito sa Philippines. In fact, very show lang na napakita siya ng picture, na dito sa Pilipinas, I think it's one of the recruiters. Kung pwede na natin mapakita yung picture niya. So, ito. Wala akong kilala dito.
Sa tatlo po, ni isa po wala pong kakilala, Your Honor.
So, ito, hindi siya si Zhang. He was saying, Mr. Chair, na hindi siya na-recruit sa Philippines as spy. Baka iisa lang pala ang nag-recruit sa kanila. Hindi natin alam, no? And again, babalik natin doon sa picture na pinakita sa video. Yung next slide, please. And again, we confirm this is not you, Miss Alice.
Your Honor, hindi po ako yan.
This is not you. Okay. Ang katanungan ko, Miss God, was you saying that hindi mo kilala at dinemanda mo. Ano naman mag-benefit din nitong si Zhang to name you?
Your Honor, I think it's better for you to ask him. Kasi siya pa yung naglabas ng video. So siya po nakakaalam at yung makakapag-benefit po sa kanya. Definitely, hindi pa ako spy.
Okay. Relax ka lang. Bakit ka galit?
Kasi po, gano'n din po yung nangyari last time. Sinasabi po nila spy ako. Mahal ko po ang Pilipinas, Filipino po ako, hindi pa ako spy.
Okay, relax lang. Relax ka lang. But you don't have to be so riled up if you know the truth. Okay? So, if categorically we will keep denying what Shen Zi Jiang is saying, right? He mentions na pinanganak ka sa Fujian, China, and na nanay mo si Lin Wenyi. Correct.
Allegations po niya yun, Your Honor.
And who is Lin Wenyi?
Your Honor, Lin Wenyi is the partner of my father. And about my citizenship naman po, I think there is already court na po.
I'm just asking who Lin Wenyi is. Pinapaunahan mo ako sa mga questions ko. Di naman tinatanong. Masyado ka defensive. You know, mga questions mo medyo showing something sa school. So, itong address mo na pinakita, makita natin yung picture ulit. Yung address to Mr. Chair is apparently the local address of the Chinese Communist Party. Sigurado ka, hindi mo nami-miss to? Walang memories?
Never ko po nakita, Your Honor.
Baka lang, may emotion. Emotional ka ngayon eh. Baka lumabas ang emotions mo dito.
Your Honor, emotional po ako dahil unfair po para sa akin para sabihan po ako na spy po ako.
Okay, I'm asking about your house now. So,
Your Honor, that's not my house.
okay, this is in Fujian. Balikan natin sa last hearing.